friends, welcome to my channel IIT Electrical Lectures. Today we are going to talk about one of the most important topic related to AC ratings. Ratings means its power, how much powerful it is. More or less, all of us know that the AC is specified by the unit ton, and the spelling of the ton is TON, ton. Today we are discussing why it is ton. So friends, if you are interested in such topic, please subscribe my channel. You will not miss any of these topics. In addition, I will upload new video on the basis of your comments. I will discuss today's topic in 4 main points. These are function of AC, why its tone, significance and realization. To discuss all of these 4 points, what is tone, latent heat, mechanical power, calculation and conversion of power units. First of all, function of AC. AC is a device that regulates the temperature of room by proper operation of compressor, condenser and chiller. It basically transfers the heat from room to outside. We will discuss about this compressor, condenser and chiller in a separate video in details. Otherwise it will take huge time. So basically AC is a device that transfers heat from room to outside. Next, why it is tone? To understand why it is tone, we have to discuss what is tone. Metric ton is used to measure mass, and that is 10 to the power 3 kg. And then one long ton and short ton. These are basically used in USA. Long ton is 1016.04 kg and short ton is 907.18, and this short ton is used to specify the rating of AC. And there is another ton, that is freight ton. This is used to measure the volume. There is 40 cubic feet or 1.133 cubic. Significance. What is the significance to use ton as a rating of AC? AC was invented in New York in 1902. At that period, these types of units were used to measure weight and volume. And nowadays it converted to a refrigerator unit. The terms ton of refrigeration. So the capacity of AC is specified, hence how many ton of ice can be melted in 24 hours. It transfers a certain amount of heat from the room, and by the heat, how many amount of ice in mass can be melted in an entire day. We have to discuss about latent heat, mechanical power calculation and conversion of power units. What is latent heat? Latent heat, a certain amount of heat that should be taken or given to change a state of matter in a fixed temperature, and that is the latent heat. In case of ice, this is a ice cube of 1 gram and 80 calorie heat is given. Temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and we get 1 gram of water in same temperature. So 80 calorie per gram is the latent heat of water. Assume this is a X ton AC. So the AC in 24 hours transfer H amount of heat, and by this heat X ton ice can be melted. This is the fundamental, and so H is equals to X ton ice is melted, so X ton equals to 907.18 kg that I have already discussed, and that is equals to 10 to the power 3. This is in gram. So 80 into this total. This is the calorie. This calorie of heat is required to melt X ton of ice. So 1 calorie equals to 4.2 joule. So this is the joule. So this heat is transferred in 24 hours. That is 24 into 16 to 60 seconds. And now heat and work done is equivalent. Energy, heat is the energy and energy is the ability to do work. So machine is able to do this amount of work. So power should be work done by time taken. This is the time taken, and by calculation we will get this watt. Joule per second is equals to watt, that is this kilowatt, and we get BTU per hour. BTU is British Thermal Unit per hour. Multiplying this with 3.412, this is the multiplying factor, we get this amount of BTU per hour. That's all. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, please comment. Thank you.